It's getting brighter.
Hey guys, it's your Temple student vlogger MJ, and I am back with another video. So today's video is basically a semester prep where I just prep before the new spring semester and just get ready for a fresh start. Basically, it's a new year, new semester, new classes, so why not just prep myself physically and mentally for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into the video. So Sunday night I came back to school a day before class started so that I could mentally prepare myself. So this is me just taking my things out the car, my groceries, my suitcase, and just settling in. So I basically took all my groceries out the car and I'm putting them away and just organizing where each of them should go. As you'll see in the clip, I am organizing the fridge. Yes, I like my things to be at a specific place. Not a specific place, but I just like a neat fridge and freezer. I don't know, I'm just like this. I don't think it would sit right with me for it not to be organized. So that's what I'm doing here, and now I'm just putting my groceries in the right places. See that looks like a much better, neater fridge. So right now I'm basically unpacking my clothes to put them away. I honestly was gonna wait until the next day to start this, but I figured why not just get over it now. And here's my dog bothering me. It wouldn't let me put my things away. Like, I kid you not, she does this all the time. So rise and shine, it's Monday morning, and the first thing I do is walk my dog so that she could use the bathroom. And then after that, once we come back upstairs, I feed her. I put out her food and her water. And I also put these no toppers on it because that's the only way she's really going to eat it. So then after that, I decided to clean the table because it was not looking the greatest. It was messy and it wasn't to my liking. So here's me just cleaning it. And after that, I just took a little breakfast break because I didn't eat yet. I spent 5 extra minutes longer in the bathroom because nobody warned me the struggles of washing your face with a nose piercing. So thank you for not telling me that. But this is me basically doing my skincare routine. I use good molecules just in case for those that were wondering. But right now I'm just gonna fix my bed. I'm kind of all over the place. I don't really have a specific schedule where I do everything in order. I do what comes to my mind. So I'm a out of place person. You would think I have everything in order, but I don't. I'm a bit backwards, so the things I do will be out of order, so don't mind that. So right now, I'm just washing the dishes, and then after that, I decided to clean the living room because, like I said in the beginning of this video, I cannot start a new semester with a dirty dorm. I have to literally prep for a new semester. So here I am just sweeping and brooming the living room, and then I just organize things around. The best part about cleaning is when you're wrapping up and you change your plugins. I bought new plugins. I think I got the apple cinnamon. It smells so good. And that was my favorite part of my day, just changing it. Okay, so for those of you that watched my moving day vlog, you've seen that I had a poster up on that wall, that same poster that you see in my hand. I don't know why, but every time I walk into my dorm, it's always on the floor. It's always falling. So here is my reattempt of putting it back up. And as you can see, I'm pressing it hard so that it doesn't fall again. So hopefully, fingers crossed. And to top it off, I just cleaned my desk, I like a clean space. And after that, this is the final clean look of my room. So then what I decided to do was go downstairs and use my print dollars. I don't know what it's called exactly, but I decided to print my syllabus for tomorrow, the first day of class. So I printed my syllabus, I highlighted the important dates that I needed to know, and I also put it on my computer in the calendar on Google and the Apple calendar, so that I'm aware of the due dates and any homework assignments I have or projects. I spent about roughly 30 minutes doing this, I believe, but I really recommend it to you guys to start doing this because it really helps you stay on track with your school assignments. Since I wanted to change my habits and the fact that I'm a big procrastinator, I started doing this strategy and hopefully it works. So everything I added on my calendar on my computer, I also add on my physical calendar that is in my room, because I do also rely on this calendar since the fact that I do look at it every single day. But just in case I miss something, I go on my computer. I mean, this is called a semester prep, so if I'm prepping for the semester, I just feel like my dog should be prepping too. So Nyla got a groom, and this is how she looks. As you can see, I got a tougher bag. I got it for Christmas, and I was so excited to use it for the first day of school. So this is me just prepping my bag for the first day of class tomorrow. I know it may look like I'm putting like the whole room in my bag, but I don't carry that much with me. So just in case, if you guys want me to do a what's in my bag video, just comment down below. I'll be watching, and if I see that you guys want it, I'll record one. So it's the first day of class. I just finished my skincare routine in this clip. So right here, I'm doing a little short makeup routine where I just put concealer, do my eyebrows, blush, and lip gloss, and head out the door. That's literally it. So that's all I'm doing right here. This is the final look, and now it's time for class. After class, I go to Morgan down to the food court and get some Chick-fil-A. As you can see, the line was very long here. And then after that, later that night, I went to Pliables because I honestly was craving it all day. And I get the Nutella bowl. Comment down below what kind of bowls you guys like to get or drink. So Pliables secured. Now it's time to go back to my dorm and, just watch some Netflix. And yeah, that was basically kind of it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.